Hi everyone, I am Madam Eileen. Today I'm going to show you how to make roasted potatoes. You're going to want to get a 5-inch round blush balloon and then adjust any little scraps you want. I have a little green scrap here I'm going to use. I'm going to first slide the scrap into the balloon. Now, if you have an electric inflator, this is easy. If you have a hand pump, little trickier, but it is possible. So I'm going to slide it on my inflator. Turn it over here. Inflate the outer balloon so it has room, wiggle room. Now you put the balloon, the 260 scrap on, slide it down, give a little pulse of air, and then it pushed up too high. Let's see. Get it back. We're making a lumpy little roast potato, so pull. Is it? Wasn't that funny? Balloons can be a lot of fun. Repeat. Slide it in. Insert air in the outer balloon. Inflate air in the inner balloon. Maybe I only thought I put air in it. Make sure that 260 is on. Slide it down. Aha! A few pulses. I feel it in there. You can hold it up to the sky or feel around. You can get round little ones. You don't want a lot of air, just a little bit. Alright, and then you cut off as much of that extra scrap as you can, and then it pops in. And so when you let the air out, you can see the shape of the inside balloon. This is the technique known as distortion. But what if I want a really lumpy potato? That I could tie it off here and hide the knot towards the bottom of the balloon by just tugging it in the direction I want it to go. And that's how you move the knot around, just pulling and tugging. It's starting to look like a pickle the more air comes out. There we go, just a little puff of air makes it a little potato-y shape. But I want a really lumpy potato, so check out where that nozzle is now. But by putting it down, you can attach this to your plate and it won't roll around. It's looking more like a yam right now. Oh, there's a fold of balloon. That just adds to the character of our potato. I have a orange scrap here. I only want a small, so I cut my scrap small. I want to... Now, the air pressure is going to keep this from wanting to go in the balloon. So this is when you need the help of a small stirring stick. Or I got a little broken piece of balloon pole. I'm going to slide the scrap onto this plastic straw, insert it into the neck of the balloon, and then push it in while pulling it down. So now it's in. Now I pinch tight and I try to pull the stick out swiftly, leaving some of the balloon in here. Now I try to get my inflator into that 260 that we just put in. 2 little puffs. Now I need to tie Will the color that you put in the potato affect it? Yes. I need to let a little bit of air out of this orange balloon because when it doesn't come up high enough to tie a knot, you just let a little bit of air out and that will give you more of a tail to work with. Now some people are amazing. They can just wrap the balloon around their finger, give a hook and a pull, and it's tied in a knot. I cannot do that. I'm thinking I did not give enough room. But look, I finally got enough air out that I could tie that second balloon. Now I'm going to let the air out and see what shape we have. So this orange balloon, I was only able to inflate it just that little bit. And the other balloon just like that. Add a little bit of air in so it's puffed, and there we go. We got our roasted potato. You can cut this knot off here, or you can use this knot to go on the plate. We take this plate, we can take this potato, and we can just wedge that, and the potato stands up. Put on our green peas, put on our broccoli, put on our baby carrots. Our feast is growing. Mmm, delicious. Grab your fork and dig in. Have fun till next time. Bye.